Hello, long time no see. We have 1 minute until market open. I'm caffeinated. I've got some of them, the free samples that you can get of I don't know if you see on Instagram. You have things like Space Goods and Gold Dust and Elevate Coffee and all these brain coffees. They're all just a crock of shit, really, I think. Well, I don't know. That's why I'm trying them. Free samples. I'm a killer for free samples. Um, I've not traded since Monday, since I took that loss, because it I was working. I was literally working with my uncle from Monday to Friday, and then from Friday night to Sunday I was working in my other job in the pub. Um, so yeah, there's that. We seem to be pretty. What is it? What is this stuff that happens when I do this? This is now. I don't know what this is. Huh. I want to stop doing that actually. Right, market's open. Everyone lock in. Everyone lock in. Okay, no news Monday. We don't have news until Wednesday. So we can be expecting some dead price action today. Should be expecting good price action tomorrow though, hopefully. But I'm going to be in Liverpool, so I'm not going to be live trading. But I will be trading even though I'm in Liverpool. I'll be taking my laptop with me. And I'll be sitting in a coffee shop and just fucking locking in. Locking in. Um, Bias on the day. It's impossible to tell when you're at all-time highs, really. I'm just gonna keep these as all-time highs. And yeah, we're just gonna see Wagwan. I'm gonna draw out deviation fib from here to here, and might do it from, let's see, a 15-minute range. Uh, hmm, huh. We are just playing in this range, but I recorded a video on Tuesday, and I didn't post it because I didn't actually trade. I went back and reviewed the markets and I could have made $1,800. And it was on ES, weirdly enough. So I was kind of shut off to ES, but after what happened last Tuesday, there was a really good trade. Like a really good trade. And it was like 10 minutes after market open. So I don't know. I don't know. Heavy sweep. Heavy sweep right now on Nasdaq. Coming for all this sell side. So we might be short in ES. It's looking at oh, sorry, I didn't mean to twat the mic there. It's looking likely. I mean, in the respect of liquidity being taken, we have a lot more sell side than we do buy side. Like a lot more. Um, so I would like to say bearish, purely based off available liquidity. So yeah, we'll just see what happens. Drawing out golden pocket to see if we get any sort of tap into. I'll also do the same for the Nasdaq. And then obviously looking for a 3-minute retrace. I think I'll also just throw equilibrium on to see if it hits any of these confluences. Yeah, and just see what the script is really. I say that a lot, see what the script is. My vocabulary isn't very ranged. It's not very expanded. I don't know. Okay, we're getting a 3-minute retrace. And then so I've got equilibrium of this range. Then you also do equilibrium of the 3-minute retrace. Does that make sense? And then hopefully it comes and hits, well, preferably anywhere up here. And then once it does, are you ready, boys? I need to sort my lot sizes out. 2%. We'll call it 80 lots. No, we won't. We'll call it 50 lots because I'm putting it in the wrong place. 40 lots. Here we go. So if we get down here, we take a sell. There. I am going to be safe. Stops above that high. Targeting there. Right, we don't have any news, so hopefully there's nothing too volatile. But okay, sell. Stop loss above the high. CP. I entered like here. Seems like a pretty alright trade if you ask me. So we have all these draws down here. Get a lot of, well, I don't know. They're saying you as like a whole, me. I get a lot of bad thoughts now since I passed the funded. A lot of bad thoughts, like thinking the worst, which isn't really too good. Like obviously this trade doesn't look good one bit. I mean the entry was fine. A golden pocket, we had equilibrium of this swing high to swing low. We come up to the discounted price range. We then came out of it. We also had the equilibrium of this low to this high and came past the 50% mark. Tapped the golden pocket. And my psychology's not feeling the best. Especially since I don't know. I know I can trade. All the videos leading up to me passing the funded show that I can. But it's seeing shit like this that makes me go like, I don't know. 15 minute we're bearish. On the 5 minute we're bearish. On the 30 minute we're bearish. On the hourly we're bearish. So we broke structure to the downside, and maybe we're just really liking this zone. Like this zone's just getting heavily respected. But Nas is creeping up. Nas is creeping up pretty fast, which I don't like. I don't like one bit. Nas shot up and hit this zone. We had a tap off this fair value gap. We were ranging in this fair value gap. I don't know. I don't know. There's nothing I can do. It was a good entry. I'm not annoyed with the entry. I'd just be annoyed if it didn't hit, you know? I'm still in. Like, it's at 200. On the dot 200. I think because of dead volume, if we get to a 1-to-1, I'm just going to take full TP. Because this is taking the piss. Okay, I've taken 25% partials, 25%. It's boring me now. Do you know what I mean? I'm just gonna move my stop loss to however much profit I took today because this is really fucking getting long now. So I can just like I'm not overly confident in the fact that we're gonna just, which I know goes against all psychology, but price action has been so shit. Like, what is this? ES has done nothing. Absolutely nothing. Takes the piss, really. Oh, darling. Oh. Got my TP at a 1-to-1 now. Strictly because I've got fucking. I can't just sit here all day waiting to either get stopped out or hit break even or fucking hit TP. Right, there we go. There we are. Done. We are officially at break even on the account now. What's that? Wait, £10,007. Thank fuck for that. Over an hour of recording. No News Monday. Just chop. Straight chop. Even Nasdaq's not done much. We've tapped this level constantly, but that's it, man. I'm done. Just thought I'd add this in. We did eventually come all the way down, but obviously I did what I did. But I'm not really too concerned, to be real. Like, that was a long trading session. And maybe in future I'll think twice about doing that. I just have faith in what I've done, but because now Nasdaq swept this low, so I imagine we'd be coming for this low as well. But the day's done.